Man, Alex's school sucks. What can I do? I know. I'm gonna pull down the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. Yay! Yay! I pulled out the fire alarm and escape. Hooray! And now we can just stay out here and go home now. Oh no! It's Principal Alex! Steve, how dare you pull down the fire alarm? Remember, if there's a fire, you have to pull it. That's it. You're suspended for 12 weeks. Go home now and I'll tell your parents. Steve, welcome home. I got a call from Principal Alex, and he told me you pulled down the fire alarm and get suspended for 12 weeks. That's it. You're grounded for 24 weeks. Go to your room right now. Wah 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 wah. Man, Principal Alex sucks. Next time I'm gonna make Principal Alex sick, and then I wish I could get ungrounded for it. And I have to go to sleep because it's getting dark outside today.